Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another install video. Today we're going to be installing these heavy duty rock slider steps. These steps were sent to us by American Modified. So thanks American Modified for helping us with our Jeep build. And we're going to try to put these on in less than 15 minutes. It's a very easy install, super quick. So let's head over to the Jeep and let's put them on. Alright guys, so before we start installing, let me show you what you're going to need in order to install these steps. So you're going to need a 10mm wrench, 13mm socket, 13mm bolts that go right over here, and you're going to need 6 10mm nuts for those bolts right over here. Now the steps don't come with a hardware kit, so you have to get the hardware kit on your own. So let's start installing it. All right, let's grab our steps. Now you're going to put those 10mm nuts. Alright guys, so check it out. It took us maybe 10 minutes, maybe a little less than 10 minutes to install one side. I'm not going to show you how to do the other side because it's the same thing. Again, these things look really good on the Jeep. They will actually give us that extra protection on the trails. They're super heavy duty. And again, thank you American Modified for sending us these steps and helping us build our Jeep. And if you guys are looking to get a pair for yourself, you can head over to AmericanModify.com and use my RDO Overland code to get yourself a few bucks off these steps, and I'm sure you will be happy with them. So again, if you like the video, let me know what you think about these steps. If you haven't down below, give it a thumbs up, and always make sure to subscribe if you can to help our channel grow, and I'll see you guys on the next one.